We'll guide you through how to set up a custom domain on Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify dashboard and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the Sites tab at the top. Now, find the site you want to connect with a custom domain and click on it. On your site dashboard, look for the Domain Settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Custom Domain. Click on that and enter the domain name you want to use. Make sure you own this domain through a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you've entered your custom domain, click Verify. Netlify will now provide you with DNS records that you need to update with your domain registrar. So, head over to your domain registrar's website, log in, and navigate to the DNS settings for your domain. You'll need to add a new CNAME record and point it to the address provided by Netlify. If there are any existing A or CNAME records for the root domain, you should remove them to avoid conflicts. After you've updated your DNS settings, go back to Netlify and click Refresh DNS to check if everything is set up correctly. It may take a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate, but once they do, you'll see a confirmation message on Netlify. Finally, ensure SSL is enabled for your custom domain by going to the SSL/TLS settings and clicking Enable HTTPS. This will secure your site with a free Let's Encrypt certificate. And there you have it. Your custom domain is now successfully set up with Netlify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.